Hey guys, so I'm about to do something stupid, which for me is nothing out of the ordinary. I'm about to cook bacon on that pot. And I haven't seen anyone on the internet do it, and that's probably for good reason, and I'm about to find that out. But I thought it'd be entertaining, at least, hopefully delicious, to try. Now keep in mind, I have the culinary skill of a probably 5 or 6 year old, or the culinary taste I should say. And I have about the experience of an 8-year-old who just learned how to use the microwave. So, cheers. So the idea with this is that I'm going to drape the bacon on the outside of the cup. The cup's gonna heat up and cook it evenly, which is a total pipe dream, let's face it. But I mean, let's see what happens. The wind's blowing, which is probably gonna give my stove some crap. Probably gonna give the camera some like feedback too. It's gonna suck. Well, let's do it. Let's jump into it. Alright, so I have draped the bacon along the cup, like I said I would. And I don't know, there's some in the bottom, there's some hanging over, it'll probably burn there. Let's see what happens. Let's not drop it either. Okay, we have got like instant sizzle, instant searing, instant burning. Holy crap. I'm backing that dude off. That is crazy. I'm not worried about hurting the stove because I just ordered on Amazon the BRS 3000T. So, yeah. Also, I'm still sitting on my rain cover, which is stupid to say the least. So I ordered a sit pad. I got the Thermarest, what is it? Z-Seat Soul or something like that. I got the insulated one. So yeah, let's cook some bacon. Okay, so just for the record, this thing is popping like crazy. Smells stinking good too. So yeah, I'm just out of the range of the popping and the crap. Even so my rain cover's taking the heat of it. So yeah, I mean, it really does smell great. And I haven't had breakfast yet, and it's like 10 o'clock. So, you know, they say hindsight's 20/20. Yeah, this is one of those moments. As it cooks down and all the grease runs through it, or runs out of it. My canister is disgusting. Just turned up the heat a little bit as the wind blew and was starting to give us some difficulty. I really can't tell what's going on this side of the pot, though you should be able to. So it could be on fire for all I know. Oh, like this side is. Oh crap. Alright, backing it back down. I have regrets. See if I can. Oh, what is that? It's actually not very hot, I don't think. Oh, never mind. I take that back. We're gonna attempt to flip the bacon. Actually, you know what? Why not? Uh-oh, that's why not. Ah! Don't burn the bacon. I mean, let's face it, that's just reality. We're cooking bacon in a high heat camp stove on an ultra thin cup. That's not gonna end well. Ah, it's popping like crazy. Also, like, might I add that this is cheap bacon, so there's no real loss if it does burn. Besides, I'm hungry and I'll have to go find something else to eat. Cook faster. Oh, this is risky. As far as I'm aware, this is working, which is impressive. Here's a update on the bacon. Also, we've got one heck of a mess to clean out of this cup. This is probably stupid. Probably it was stupid. I mean, it's something. I mean, it was something. Ta-da! Bacon strip number 2. Also burnt the heckin' back. Woo! All right, let's how hot is that? That's not too bad. Let's dump this crap in our brush pile, which we will later burn, so that it doesn't congeal like it did on our stove or on a canister. That's definitely gonna taste like bacon for the rest of his life. Check that out. It's so disgusting. It like congealed. All the fat and grease did all over the stove. Or not the stove, the canister. Look at it over there. That's crazy. All right, all right. Without further ado, let's eat some of that. We've got said burnt piece and an actually decently cooked piece. So it was definitely overcooked bacon. I mean, it wasn't that bad. Like, cooking it on the stove, that actually went pretty well after the initial, oh crap, what have I done type scenario happened. So, moving on to the actually good cooked piece. That's good. That is really good. I can't believe that did that on the stove. That was like a perfect cook. That is absolutely awesome. No other way to put it. Now, for backpacking, obviously this would have to be something that you carried to your site. I'm sorry, I can't stop eating it. I'm hungry and it's bacon. This wouldn't be something that you could carry long distance. Bacon's heavy, it smells, you have to cook it, it can go bad really fast. So obviously it's not practical, but it's something neat to know. So I mean, say you are, I don't know, at a hostel. You got your stove, for whatever reason they don't have any sort of hookup or cooking system at the hostel that you have access to. You can cook bacon on your stove and still have some fresh food. Same thing, you could pack it with you, like you're just getting ready to leave town, you know you're gonna hit camp here in an hour or so, do that. But then obviously you got the smell, which probably isn't the best, but I mean, hey, what you gonna do? That was also probably an extreme waste of fuel. Let's face it, that took a long time. So yeah, final words, it's stinking awesome. Do it at the cost of your fuel, weight, and smell, but it tastes great and it totally does it. Honestly, does it pretty easily. It just takes a little time. So, gets a big thumbs up from me. I give it a 10 out of 10. See you guys later.